Instead of keeping an eye on the bad guys, dogs bring you unforgettable, funny moments. From times when they protect without anyone asking to the silly situations they create.
Play dead.
Dogs always know how to make us feel both safe and unable to stop laughing.
Did you just vandalize the car? Is that you?
This dog looks really excited to show off the accomplishment it made for its dad to see. His gaze is full of judgment.
This way!
The one who stayed, today was his turn with the brain cell.
Kelly. What the fuck? You just mocking me?
When you have a broken femur and pelvis, just learning to walk again, and your dog suddenly does this. When you need a dog to guard the house, and this is how the dog reacts to strangers.
No, 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 no.
You can take a small bite. Just bite the corner like this. You see? Just bite it. Gentle.
He really wants to take another bite.
Oh, bless.
No, no.
This dog gave a 10 out of 10 for the leap into the mud.
Hey, what happened?
I guess the key words would be cheese or walking.
Momo, how's that gate working for you?
No gate can stop her.
Nobody's gonna know. Nobody's gonna know. They're gonna know. How would they know?
When you're not allowed to bring your dog, no problem.
Hey. Play dead.
What a cute dog. I'll try teaching my dog this trick when I get home.
Play dead.
Oh, man. Yeah.
Play dead.
Oh, buddy.
Alive.
He's fine. Okay.
Brother!
The dog greets his mom every morning, but this time he forgot that he's wearing a cone. Everyone is a friend to this dog, even if they're a stranger he's never met.
What's up, boy? You made me scared. I ain't gonna lie. You made me nervous. What are you doing? Hey, girl.
Huh?
This dog must have been an elite Special Forces operative in a past life. The way he moves and flips is so professional.
Oh my God, what is that? Oh my God, what is that?
The dog seems to be saying, "You think a fence this high can stop me?"
Baby, they were too busy for a pup cup. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. They were too busy. I couldn't ask for a pup cup. Oh my God.
You better go back and get her a pup cup. The dog is completely unafraid of strangers. He's even relaxed enough to let them hug him.
Aww, you're so cute. You're mine.
Although the car window is small, they all know how to give each other space. So smart and cute.
You ever wondered if 4 dogs could get their head out the window at once? They're doing it.
Oh, I've been waiting for this. Oh boy, I've been waiting for this. What's up?
He can't wait any longer. He's been waiting all day for this moment. I think the tail of a Labrador is made of adamantium. In this moment, the dogs forgot that they were raised in this house to guard it.
Good.
The way he checks himself, as if he did it without realizing he's being teased. The woman gave the dog a pillow so he could sleep better, even though she had been on a flight for hours and was tired herself. Her gesture was so sweet. In that moment, the dog immediately forgot that he was supposed to be the guard dog. The dog complains as if he's the homeowner, annoyed when someone doesn't do things his way. I think they should have their own house. It seems like Santa isn't welcome in this house. Is it because they don't like receiving gifts?
Look, it's me. Look, see?
This cowboy is definitely an amazing rider. Don't cry anymore. Take this toy.
Open sleigh. Hey! Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle. Wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. good tidings for Christmas and a Happy New Year.
아니 그거 뭐야?
It seems that the confusion happened because the ball and the shoes are the same color. The dog moves its head as if it's Mike Tyson at 20.
Oh, hello there!
If anyone is considering getting a Samoyed to guard the house, I don't think that choice will work out too well. I think this will be the best security dog for the house. Nothing can escape his watchful eyes.
Hello. Hi. Good morning.
Hey, what happened?
Surely everyone has a friend who shows up the moment they hear about food like this.
We'll swap.
Can someone remind the dog that he's buying the cake at an overpriced cost? Beacon, the therapy dog, travels with the USA gymnastics team wherever they go, wearing a credential and holding the title of Goodest Boy.
이름.
Huh?
Yeah.
Muy bien, cariño. Muy bien, amor mío. Muy bien.
After this, I think my dog will need to get a job. Just looking at the wagging tail of the dog is enough to see how excited she is when she sees her grandparents.
I better go help him.
You get the fuck out of here, you son of a bitch! You tell him, Jopa. What are we barking at? What are we yelling at? Oh, yeah! You get into some of this too? Yeah, shit! Get the hell out of here!
You just feed the dogs once, and this is the result every time after that. He's training to become a fierce guard dog, so adorable.
Oh my God!
키죠? 다 그림.
All three of them have had a good meal and are now energized enough to face the consequences.
키죠? 뭔데 이거? 어? 씨발 이게
That guy is ready for the upcoming long-term trip.
No, 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 no.
I think Jesus would be comfortable with this beautiful guest. try to appreciate this piece of art because huskies are the true artists.
Help me! Help me!
What you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? Aww.
This dog is even more romantic than Romeo and Juliet. It's time to say goodbye. Thank you for taking the time to watch this entire video. We hope you had relaxing and enjoyable moments. If you enjoyed our video, please like and subscribe to our channel to receive notifications when we upload new videos. See you in the next video.